What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video of Battleground Mobile India. Just few hours back we made a video regarding the same game, but now most of the users have been complaining that they are not able to access the link because the early access link have been expired and game have already accepted maximum request. So now you can't register for beta testing. But in this video we'll show you how can you play that game without pre-registration. So for that you require two files. One will be the OBB file and the second will be APK file. In the last video also I provided the APK file. So as you can see here, let me install this file and show you what error people were getting. So after installing the APK of Battlegrounds Mobile India, the game wasn't able to connect to server. Let me show you that. And here you can see you'll get an error downloading failed because you may have not purchased the app. So this was the error what people were getting after installing the APK, because game is not able to connect to the server. But for this what you can do is you can download the OBB file from the description below. So I'll provide the OBB file in the description below and we'll show you where to place that file. So here you can see at the bottom I have the game APK and the OBB folder, which is of 637 MB. Right now on this OnePlus 60 I have a complete different account of Google, and with this Google account I haven't registered for beta testing. So here in Play Store if you check, I have a different account, and if I search for Battleground I don't get option to install, though it was pre-registered long back. After even registering, if you try to install APK and run the game won't connect to server. So this is the error what people are getting. So now let me show you how can you play this game right now. So here you can see I have two devices. On Pixel device I have my own ID by which I can play the game. But on the other device, that is OnePlus 60, where I am unable to download the OBB file, what you can do is download these two files from the description below. One is the APK file and the second one is OBB main file. And now after that what you have to do is you need to go to internal storage, then go to Android, OBB, and if you install the PUBG Mobile Battleground APK, inside the OBB folder, a folder will be created called com.pubg.imobile. But if you go inside this, you won't have any files here. So what you have to do is you need to copy the OBB file. So this is the OBB file and the size of this is 637 MB. Copy this file and place it in the Android OBB com.pubg.imobile. Paste this file here. Once you are done with this, now you'll be able to play the game. Let me show you once now. By launching the game, now you won't get any kind of errors related to downloading of OBB files. And here you can see a game have started. Then it will ask you to download the resource pack. Depending on your requirement, you can download them. So I'll download the HD resource pack. And meanwhile it downloads, let me show you, because currently my OnePlus 60 is running Oxygen OS 10, which is based on Android 10. But creating an OBB folder on Android 11 is a bit complicated. So now let's keep this device aside and let me show you how can you make this game work on devices running Android 11. So here I have my OnePlus 9 which is running Android 11. On this device I have already installed the game. But if you go to File Manager, if you have device running Oxygen OS, then there are difficulties that you won't be able to see any file inside OBB folder if you go through File Manager. So in this case what you can do is you can connect your device to PC and then create a folder, because using stock file manager you won't be able to access the OBB folder. The process is same. Connect your device to PC, select file manager mode, and from there access the folder called Android OBB and create a folder called com.pubg.imobile. From PC itself copy the OBB file and place it inside this folder. And this is only for people who are running Oxygen OS 11 and are not able to access File Manager. But in most cases, if you are not running Oxygen OS 11, still you have different operating system based on Android 11. There you can easily create the folder inside OBB. So here only issue is with OnePlus File Manager. But you can just bypass that by connecting your device to PC, creating a folder and then place this file of OBB. And you will be able to run the game. So meanwhile, resource pack have been downloaded on our OnePlus 60. Now let's relaunch the game. And there you can see we have the login screen now. You can use any of your account like Facebook, Twitter. After putting your user ID and password, you can tap on continue. Compiling resources might take around 3 to 4 minutes. And there we go. Our game loaded up successfully, and here you can see I have my friend's account. So guys, this way you can install Battleground Mobile India and play the game. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.